Hi, I'm Monica. I was born and raised in Treviso and I now live in Baduere, a rural village located in the countryside around Treviso within the Venice area. I hold a degree in tourism and I have many years experience in the food and beverage industry, currently specializing in beer and wine production. I particularly enjoy discovering small local artisan producers, especially those operating in the family-run agri-food field. And thanks to this project, I hope to showcase such small companies in my local area, particularly those who are part of the beer supply chain. My tourism proposal arises from the fact that a local brewery wishes to promote their regional beer supply chain and to showcase their excellent beer products. For this reason, I've been appointed by them to enlist a group of enthusiastic beer bloggers in order to record all aspects of the artisanal beer production and bottling process, right from the spring water source to the first slow sip. These bloggers will also review their site visit experience. This proposal is aimed at those who, like me, are passionate about discovering niche market producers. I'm particularly interested in those visitors oriented towards the world of microbreweries, but it is aimed at beer lovers, fans of good food, and nature lovers as well. I'll be director of this full immersion experience of the beer brewing world. You will discover the sanctuary of the River Sile Park, where the biggest source of natural spring waters in Europe is located. We'll visit then the magical world of a hop garden and discover how craft beer is produced and how it can be used in alternative ways, like in mixology, for example. You learn how to prepare a recipe which will feast on together and you can try it out on your family and friends back home. Why not join me for such an experience? It will be memorable, unique and unrepeatable, like all the joint play stories are. If so, you can book this tour and become a beer blogger for just one day. I look forward to meeting you in Piombino Dese.